open your first.
Hello guys, today this is our ketchup shop.
So guys, we are going to try two different sauces, and this one is smoky barbecue, and this one is chipotle. So let's just try.
I want to try too.
Okay, take some. So guys, it tastes really good. The barbecue taste is so good. The smoky taste is just awesome. You can put this on like sandwiches, bread. You can also make with chicken wings and so next we're gonna try chipotle.
Chipotle.
So how are you feeling about that sauce, Ethan? The smoky barbecue. Is that nice?
Right?
And
Okay.
how many numbers you will give out of 10?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, really? Okay. And you?
I'm gonna give this one a 10 out of 10 because the smoky taste is just awesome.
All right.
I will give
Okay. What is the next sauce you have?
Chipotle, I guess.
Okay.
So
Chipotle. It's a chili sauce?
Yep, it's a chili sauce.
Look, it has a chili on it.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
so that presents the chili flavor. So let's go ahead and try it.
Okay.
Oh, I can't open it. Oh.
Let's try it, Grandma.
Check the tape. A little. I can't get it out. Okay.
Be gentle. Be gentle, Gunna. Get a drip.
Okay, Ethan, I'll try. I'm trying to get it. Can't get it. Okay, try.
How's Ethan? Ethan, how's it? Ethan, how's the taste?
Wait, I didn't get any. It's so hard.
Can I help you?
Can you give
Yeah, I think I need some help.
Can
Yeah.
you give me a bigger pop, please? Can you give me
A
some?
little bit, I don't.
Yeah.
Oh,
Can
thank you.
Go there. Gunna will give you. Carol will give you. Right.
Yeah, Carol. My name is Carol. Take.
Okay.
Okay, love.
How's it?
Okay. It's not like that bad, but I don't really like
tastes
it.
like matte, you know.
What?
It tastes like matte.
Matte lipstick? Are you serious? This is
What are
not.
you talking about? What is the taste like? Nice?
It tastes a bit chilly, so I'm just gonna give this a 1 out of a 10.
Are you serious?
Yep. 1
I'm
out of
not
10.
serious.
This one is going. So smoky barbecue is going to be a 10 out of 10. Awesome. And chipotle is not my favorite, so I'm just gonna give it a 10 out of a 2, I guess.
I will not like it even.
Okay. Which one you like, Ethan?
The barbecue one.
Smoky
Oh, really?
barbecue, and I also like smoky barbecue.
Okay. Can you help us to know the brand? Which brand is this? Weber. Isn't
Weeba.
that-
This is Weeba brand, and what brand is this?
The same
Veeba.
brand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These both sauces are Veeba brand, so I think I'm gonna go with the smoky barbecue. I would definitely put this on chicken wings.
All right. Thank you.